work, I am usually wearing a head cap, but yesterday I forgot to wear a head cap. That's why chef noticed my hair is long. Yeah, and I said to him, I'm going to cut my hair tomorrow, chef. And he said, yeah, me too, I need to have my hair cut. And I am not going to forget my head cap today because I have it here now. And I am going to be driving today because I have limited time. I didn't finish to upload the video. I don't want to wait. To be honest, the 5G is not really fast. In the previous 4 days, I was riding the bike. And the difference is that, yeah, with the bike, I feel always active. But, yeah, you're going to feel the wind, the cold, the heat of the sun. Yeah, but you feel active. But here inside the car, yeah, it is also good, comfortable, feeling safe. A car is like a second home for me. Yeah, I feel really safe when I'm inside the car. It has been raining, that's why we are back in the car. Yeah, according to the forecast, this coming summer will be rainy. Will be a lot of rain. Yo, good morning guys. It is already 10 o'clock. Yeah, I just finished editing a video. The laundry of my landlord is blinding. All those white blanket, I mean bed cover something. Yeah, I just finished editing a video and now I'm going to prepare my meal. You know, every after work in the night, this is my dinner. Only this much left. And what I'm going to do now is just put it here, fill it up with water. But it's actually wrong, I should make it smaller. I'll do that. Yeah, that is how it is now. Oh, look at the outside. Here, really beautiful flowers. I just went to add some fish sauce. I'm also going to add some onion. I realized that I have some of this bok choy, so we put some bok choy. I still have this rice noodles. Oh no, not this one. Instead, I'm going to put this spaghetti, and I'm going to cut it small. Al dente now, and I'm going to put this now. I don't have any other vegetable, that's why, yeah, I put this bok choy, pepper, salt, delicious. this is my lunch. Yeah. It is now 10:30. I like to drink soft drinks, but I don't have, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to leave some for tonight. Yeah. This is already my second. I really like it. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is now already 8:30. Oh, almost 8:45. I am going to prepare my breakfast. Actually, I am just going to reheat this. Yeah, the one that I cooked yesterday. And you notice, empty. Actually, it is good I prepare it like that. Yeah, empty because I don't want to be wasting food. Already took a shower and it is now 3:20. Oh, very fast. I'm actually don't have food here. I still have this, but yeah, I have been eating this last night and this morning, and then I don't have any other food. That's why we are going to eat outside today. Yeah, it's an excuse. If you remember, I don't eat anymore in the restaurant to save money, but today we are going to eat. Also, I am going to grocery. Yeah, just in Salamander Bay. Yeah, I still need to wash this. There are some leftovers still. Now here in the Salamander Bay Shopping Square, and I got this very big space of parking next to this big SUV. Yeah, nice. It looks like that Aldi, yeah, the new buildings of Aldi is finished already. No more construction. Maybe inside, I don't think it is open. Yeah, we're going this way. I know this Thai restaurant is still closed. If I'm not mistaken, they open at 4 o'clock. I've been to Aldi already. Yeah, and I'm still very hungry. I'm going to eat first here in food court. And this is what I got. This honey chicken, noodles, and fried rice. It is almost 4 o'clock. That's why many shops are closed already. Yeah, this one is soon to open. EB Games. And because most of the shops are already closed inside, except the grocery, we are going to Bunnings Warehouse to just browse. It will be open until 7 p.m. You know, this speed is 50 kilometers per hour, and it feels very slow. But yeah, this is the low. I must follow the speed. This is speed. Even if there are people at the back, I mean cars at the back, for sure they are doing the same. They are following the 50 kilometers per hour speed limit, and they can actually overtake if they want, because the line here is a broken line. So if they want to run faster, they can. But for me, I will stay in 50 kilometers per hour or less. You know, I'm always wondering about the front yard, because this front yard, this is still very big. Yeah, I don't know if that front yard is owned by the government or owned by the house owner. Yeah, I don't know exactly. One house can still be built in that space, or a building. Hey, we are now here in the Bunnings warehouse. Yeah, nothing to buy in particular, just to browse products. I was here maybe 2 weeks ago. I bought the wood that I am now using as a table, the one that I cover with the wallpaper. The time now is 4:50. Oh, this is what I bought. This yeah, moisture absorber. It's $5.50. I also bought this one, cutter. And we are going home now because the rest of the shop around are closed already. Before we go home, we are going to drop by here first in the Berobi beach, just to take some pictures. I forgot to record when we left the Bunnings warehouse, but it's okay because it's the same when we arrived there. There are many other cars in here. I don't know where are the people. Yeah, I don't see any people here this time. Maybe they are yeah, nothing really. Maybe they are somewhere downstairs. Oh yeah, they are there. Yeah, there are also people there. I actually forgot my cell phone. Also, I feel the need to go to the toilet. I don't want to use the toilet there because there's no water, just toilet paper. That's why we are going home now. I forgot that I still need to go to the grocery. Yeah, so we are going to the grocery now. I can still hold myself to go to the toilet. Hey, this is sale today, $2.50. Regular price is $3.90. I'm getting one. Yeah, I'm getting this. This is just $3.50. Penny pasta. This is just $2.30. 3 of this as usual. The tuna in oil, 90 pork. This just yeah, $9.53. And then yeah, a tray of this egg. This is just $9.